In this lecture, we are going to have a fair idea about variables in Python. As you might already be knowing, a variable is a named container of a value. So whenever we are supposed to contain a value somewhere in the memory location, it is stored under a variable name. This value can be of certain data type like integer, float, string, etc. Now, Python is a dynamically typed language unlike C, C++, Java, etc. Now, let me explain what is dynamically typed language. A dynamically typed language is a language in which there is no need to declare a variable, because declaration of a variable involves specifying its data type. Now, in Python, you need not declare a variable before using it. Its data type will be decided when the value will be assigned to it. Now, there is no need to declare a variable in Python. Its data type is decided at runtime when it is assigned a value. When the program is in execution stage and a value is going to be assigned to the variable, what is the type of that value? Accordingly, that particular variable will be taken to be of that data type. Examples: x is equal to 100. Now x is a variable. It is being assigned a value 100. As 100 is an integer value, data type of x will be assumed to be integer. City is equal to, within quotation marks, I have written New York. So within quotation marks, we people write string constants. So New York is a string constant. So city variable will be treated as a string variable. Similarly, salary is equal to 12,000.78. Because it's a decimal value, so salary will be considered to be of float data type. Now, by float data type, I mean to say the variable of float data type is the one which is containing the decimal values, like this one. Now, let me tell you about certain rules for naming variables. Rules are very simple. A variable name consists of alphanumeric characters and underscore only. I mean to say, the variable name can consist of the letters from capital A to capital Z, from small a to small z, from digit 0 to digit 9, and underscore. A variable name is case sensitive. What I mean to say by saying case sensitive is, for example, say a variable small a is different from capital A. Both are A, but the difference is in case. A, small letter a, would not be treated as the same as capital letter A. And variable code, C is capital, is different from variable code, C is small. So this is to say that a variable name is case sensitive in Python. Now, the next rule is the first character should be either a letter or underscore. The first letter cannot be a number. I mean to say, I cannot have a variable like digit 1 ABC. Yes, it could be ABC digit 1,